What should I do if I am unable to add funds to my Apple ID balance?
Hello and welcome. Today we're tackling a common issue some users face, being unable to add funds to your Apple ID balance. In this video, we'll walk you through some troubleshooting steps that can help you solve this issue.
Are you meeting the basic requirements?
Before you can add funds to your Apple ID, make sure you meet the following conditions. 1. Check your region. Funds can be added to an Apple ID within certain regions. Check that your region supports this feature. 2. Valid payment method. Ensure you have a valid payment method associated with your Apple ID. 3. Latest software. Make sure you are using the latest software on your device.
Is your payment method accurate and up-to-date?
If you're struggling to add funds, there could be a problem with your payment method. Here are a few things to check. 1. Validity of your payment method. Check that your payment method is not expired and is accepted by Apple. 2. Billing details. Ensure your billing details are accurate and up-to-date. 3. Sufficient balance. If you are using a debit card, make sure you have sufficient balance to add funds.
Have you reached your Apple ID balance limit?
Remember, Apple imposes a limit on the amount of money you can store in your Apple ID balance. If you've reached this limit, you won't be able to add more until you've used some of your current balance.
Have you contacted Apple support?
If none of the above solutions work, it may be time to contact Apple support. They can help identify any specific issues with your account or process. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this step-by-step guide helps you add funds to your Apple ID balance successfully. Remember, when all else fails, reaching out to Apple support is a valuable resource to help you solve your issue. Until next time, stay tech-savvy and keep exploring.